Alright everyone, welcome back to the Pizza Artist. On today's video, we're going to be making Mexican style pizza. Yesterday, Teresa made some tacos, and here's the leftovers from the tacos. So the whole plan today is to make this right here, the leftovers, into a pizza. Well, forget the rice. Teresa forbade me from using the rice because she said it was gross. There's the Herdez salsa I'm going to use on one of the pizzas. And there's the sour cream. I don't know why I'm showing you this right now, but there's the sour cream. So this is all the stuff we had left over from the pizza, from the tacos yesterday. Now I'm going to make two different pizzas. That's why I got two different shells. One I'm going to pre-bake and then put all our stuff on top. The other one I'm going to put stuff on top and then I'm going to bake it. One is going to have Herdez and the other one's going to have a secret sauce on top. Okay, so there we go. So I'm going to speed things up a little bit because, who wants to sit here for 20 minutes? So I'm putting olive oil on this pizza. Do you know why, Dorino? Why?
Because
it stops it from bubbling up, Dorino. That's why. So that's why I got a special guest here, Dorino. He's here watching me do this voiceover. So I put the olive oil on the shell, Dorino. So then it does that. Isn't that beautiful?
I said it was beautiful just minutes ago.
It's beautiful. Thank you, Dorino. Ah, there's the surprise, Dorino. It's Gringo Bandito, Dexter Holland, one of our favorites. So look at that. I told you I put a lot on it. I told you. So I put the Dexter Holland hot sauce. That's the base. That's like the pomodoro. So there's the base. Now I'm going to put, okay, Pablo, come on. Yeah, we've seen it. Come on, move it. So now I'm going to put, this is the mistake I made. I put refried beans now. I should have put the refried beans before, so it's easier to spread. But hey, we learn, right, Dorino? We learn.
Si.
We learn. But it still was great, right?
Si.
It was great. So now I put the ground beef on top of the refried beans, on top of the Gringo Bandito hot sauce, and I'm gonna put this thing in the oven. I think I put cheese on it. I think, Dorino.
Ooh.
I guess yes. So now I'm putting some. It's the 3 mixed cheese. So it's like cheddar, Monterey Jack, and mozzarella. That's what it is. Now this one's going to go in the oven as is. There you go. It's beautiful. It looks Mexican. Now this is the one that's baked. So I have the baked shell. It's like eating a taco. Okay, it came out like a taco.
It did.
But it was good. A great baked taco, pizza taco. So I put the Herdez salsa on top of the pizza shell we baked. Then I made the same mistake. I put the refried beans. Now I tried to get the refried beans all around the side. You see that, Dorino?
Yeah.
And that was my goal. Then I just gave up halfway through it. I said, screw it. Then I put the ground beef on it. Now, if you notice the steam coming from the ground beef, Dorino, I put this I warmed it up in the microwave before putting it on my pizza. So then it's warm. So when I cut it, it's warm and tasty. I guess that's how it is when you go to taco places. The meat is warm, right? Even though everything else is cold.
Yeah.
And there I put the lettuce. I'm gonna put the avocado, and I don't charge any extra for the avocado. My house, it's free of charge. There you go. I put the avocado on top, and then I'm gonna put sour cream right in the middle. Boom. And after that, we're going to eat it, and it's going to be super delicious. Super delicious. Now, I really had no idea what I was going to do with these pizzas, but it turned out good. Oh, yeah, I even put tomatoes. I forgot. I had some leftover diced tomatoes. It was pretty good. Pretty good. So that's it. This pizza is ready. A little bit of sour cream on top. I don't know why I'm taking my time with this. Okay, boom. Good. It's a 6-minute video, a 7-minute video almost, Dorino. We got to move along. Isn't that beautiful?
It is.
That looks amazing. So there's your first Mexican pizza, the one that we pre-baked the shell, we put the Herdez salsa and the ground beef and all the works. It was great. Now you can add your own things to it. You can put jalapenos to it. You can put whatever kind of mole sauce, whatever you want. Go crazy with it. There's no wrong or right answers. I forgot to put cheese on that one. See, now I'm doing it after. That's all right. It was still delicious. Now for the one I baked, I'm throwing some tomatoes on it. And I put the avocado. Is that the right word? Avocado? Avocado.
Si.
Yeah. Advocado in Italian means lawyer, or avocado. I was going to put lettuce, and then I changed my mind, and I put it on that one. So that's the final product. It looks great, right?
Yes.
And then I didn't have to put hot sauce because it's made with hot sauce. So that gave it that special flavor, that Dexter Holland hot sauce flavor. This was my favorite one. I'll be honest. I like this one. The other one was good. It was like eating a giant taco. That's all it was. There's the taco. It's a giant taco. A flat taco. But it was still good. It was still good. Don't get me wrong. It was good. Now I'm going to cut them. There you go. We're going to speed things up. And if you notice in this video, Dorino, I eat one slice. Do you know why?
I know why.
Because I'm trying to watch what I eat now. And the pizza artist is getting a little bit round around the stomach there. So, I'm not doing too bad, okay? So, there you go. Look how nice it stayed up, that pizza. I ain't kidding. It was so nice. It was crispy. It was nice. It was, in my opinion, it was perfect pizza. It was perfect. And I was like, okay, I can eat the whole thing. It was so good. Yeah, I don't have to tell me. It's super fantastic. I know. That's made with the Gringo Bandito, the Dexter Holland hot sauce. We know. It's super fabulous. I'll put the link maybe in the description below for his hot sauce. Go and get it because it's super delicious. Super delicious. All right, now let's try this other pizza. So this one was a winner. I can eat the whole pizza. Now this is the taco one. Don't get me wrong. I enjoyed it. But it wasn't as good as the other one. But it was good. It was good. Yeah, I said, it's okay. It's okay. It's like a giant taco. And I don't mind a giant taco. You know what I mean, Dorino?
See.
I don't mind. So there we go. I'm going to switch over to a live Paolo. This is the recording Paolo, the voiceover Paolo, because we had way too many kids in the house. All the nephews were over. My niece was over. And the kids were making too much noise. So thank you for watching, everybody. This is the pizza artist, and I'm going to sign off to Paolo, the pizza artist. He's going to take over in just a mere second. Thanks for watching, everybody. Ciao. Brio. I can't decide which one I want to eat. Again, they were both good. Both have their distinctive flavors. And they were both good. One's more like a taco, and the other one's more like a burrito. Honestly, I guess because it's warm, but they're both good. Both of them are good. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully you get to try to make Mexican pizza. It's easy. With your leftover Mexican food, when you're making tacos, make Mexican pizza the next day. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. Thanks, everyone.